How to make a piano in Scratch. First, choose practice keyboard. After you go to chords, then you choose when for trick, then you add these chords, then duplicate, choose 7 times. So let us practice. You go on sprites, you look for keyboard. Okay, it's there. Choose keyboard. Then you put in your font press. You go on chords, choose when contract. Control for lever. Can go choose if, then and choose key space pressed, if, then key space pressed. Input sound, then choose that sound C plus piano. A duplicate, there will be 2. Duplicate again, B4. Then duplicate the 3 box. Okay. And you put them together. Then you put R in full level. After duplicating several times, you may start arranging the notes of piano from central piano to C to electric piano. You may select the favorite keys to play your piano, for example key from 1 to 8. Here as you can see we're just arranging on the line the notes. So E, next may be F, next may be G, now next is, that's for solo, next is A, next is B, the next is C. Now we're going to arrange the numbers or keys. You may choose your favorite. Of me, I'll choose 1. Now there's 2. And there is 4. 5, which is 5. Next is 6. 6. Then 7. 7. And 8 is the last.